Book2Wheel is an online portal for sharing bicycle and motorbike. If you have a motorbike or a bicycle which you are not using it, you can rent out to other people. That is Book2Wheel. In 2015, I was taking a break from my education and I went to Philippines. There I met 60 Danish interns who were taking their internship in a Rise Above Foundation. One of the girls, Melina, met me and she told me that, Furkan, I need a solution for transportation. And that time I had my one scooter. I rented out my scooter to Melina and the next day 2 more girls showed up on my door. And that's how the idea of Book2Wheel came. Slowly and slowly more people started to come to me and they wanted to rent a scooter. I went out and I bought a couple of more scooters and rent them out. And then I saw a lot of demand, so I asked my one neighbor and the second neighbor and the third neighbor. Everybody started renting out their scooter. And then I had this idea, why not build a website where anybody who has a scooter or motorbike or bicycle can rent out their scooter to other people. We started with one city in the Philippines named Cebu, and we expanded from one city to 72 different cities and islands. And today we have more than 1,000 motorbikes listed on our platform and more than 4,500 people actually have rented through our platform. So the problem that we are trying to solve with this idea is that in third world countries like Southeast Asia, Philippines, the average income is about $10 a day. With Book2Wheel, they can rent out their scooter and motorbike and earn extra income. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to create a source of income for people who really need it. So the very first challenge we faced is where to register this company. In 2015, when I went to Philippines, I came back to Denmark and I was on a student visa in Denmark and I couldn't register the company. So I have to actually wait. 2017, I was able to create a company in Estonia where we get our legal things covered, and then we started to market heavily with our solution. And then in 2018 we created a company in the Philippines so we can offer the local payment system to the local customer. And then in 2019 I got the entrepreneur visa in Denmark, which allowed me to run my company from Denmark. So we had a lot of challenges over the period, and whenever we come to the new customer, they are quite resistant to use a platform. So I think it's slowly it's getting better. People are using our platform. They are not much as resistant as 4 years ago when we started first our service. So our future plan is that we are currently have a large share in the Philippines market. We started with the motorbike sharing, and now we have open car sharing as well, and we are moving to Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand. So we wanted to take this Southeast Asian region where we see that a lot of people have a motorbike and then they can just start renting out their motorbike. So that's our future plans.